Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. So, I know I've done several videos on this truck, but did some more work to it. 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500, 5.3 LS with a 6L80 automatic. So, I got new front bumpers, or new front bumper, and I installed the running lights that I had put on it before. Sure, changes the approach angle on the tire. It looks good. And also got rear bumper. We have LED lights coming for backup lights for this. They'll go down in them pockets. So yeah, there's pretty stout bumpers. Gets rid of that mess off the front. Now you do lose the factory driving lights, but you know, there's what's left of the rear bumper. It was messed up anyway, and I got after it with the death wheel and cut a bunch of plastic out of my way to get to the bolts. So did rear shocks, front shocks. Well, I guess the fronts are more stretched because they have springs on them. What else did I do? Oil change. Put some seafoam in the tank. Yes, I'm a fan of seafoam, guys. Deal with it. If you don't like it, keep it to yourself. Rotated the tires. Which, by the way, is a pain in the ass doing it with a floor jack. And put new calipers on the front with brackets. I had one that was hanging up. Haven't been that long since I've done a brake job. So, and on this we only run the Bosch Quiet Cast pads and rotors. I have real good luck with them. Drives a lot of miles, gets a lot of miles out of them. They don't get all dusty and nasty. They don't squeak. They don't rattle. They don't make any noise. So, but yeah, this front bumper, as you can see, you get to retain the factory tow hooks, which is good. So we'll move out here, and I'll see if in my archives, if I don't have a picture of this before the bumpers. I think I do. But yeah, sure looks a lot better. So yeah, that was, I started on this. I did the front bumper Saturday and wired in the front lights. Ran out of time. Of course, you know, Sunday was Mother's Day. I spent all day with my mom. And I always do. Mother's Day is her day. I made her dinner and what have you. So enjoy her while I still got her. But anyway, completed another. So after he got bumpers put on the 2018, I knew he'd want new bumpers for this one. So much better looking than that ugly piece of shit. But anyway, alright guys, that's pretty much it for now. I didn't really record the work because if you've seen a tire rotation before, you've seen every one you've ever heard of. Shocks are shocks. Nothing special there. Same with brake calipers. I'm not going to show you guys stuff that I know if you're watching my channel, you're capable of putting on brake calipers. But as always, if you ever have questions or comments, you know where to leave them. But anyway, guys, it's been a long day, and I'm ready for some chow. So we'll catch you in the next one. Tomorrow we'll get back on the 2003 $1,000 the black Silverado. You know, because black trucks matter, and so do white ones. So, alright guys, I'm out of here for the night. Have a good one, and see you later.